Hi. Creating a banner is pretty simple. You log into MyCludo, you go to Tools, go to Banners, and then you can see the list of banners created in your account. To create a new one, you click New, call it anything you want. I'm calling it this one Demo. You can put any triggers you want onto it. As I told you, you can use hashtag as replacement for numbers. So if people are searching for B1234, B5678, instead of having all these different variations of the search term, you can just have B and then 4 hashtags. This will put in a trigger for every search term that is made of B and then 4 random numbers. In here you can create headers and blocks, paragraphs, and you can insert images. Beware that you can upload an image through MyCludo, but you have to have it uploaded on your own server and then use the link to utilize the image. So here you can just write a headline, some text that you want shown to your user, and then click on me, which is a link. So here you can highlight this, use the formats to make this a headline. Then you can highlight this, click on the Insert Edit Link, insert a link you want it to link to, and then the text to display. Click on me, yes. So now when I click Save, and I go into Demo, you can see that make a search for demo. You can see that there is a headline now, some important text, and the link that you created. So this is how you create a banner and how it's used. When you want to disable it, you click here, and if you want to delete it, you click here. So let me know if you have any questions.